I'm going to show you how to move from 0 views equal to $0 to 1 million views equal to $20,000 using a system most creators won't discover for another 2 years. But more importantly, pay attention to the 3-minute mark because I'm revealing the one mistake that almost cost me my entire channel. Today, I'm showing you the perspective shift that the YouTube algorithm and your competitors don't want you to see. In the early days of YouTube, 2010 to 2018, niching down was a simple mathematical exercise. You picked a broad category like tech, beauty, or gaming. By 2026, these categories are not just saturated, they are effectively commoditized. The barrier to entry has dropped so low that AI-generated faceless channels can now pump out top 10 tech gadgets videos faster and cheaper than any human creator. If you compete on information alone, you are competing with an infinite supply of free, automated content. To survive and thrive in this environment, you must move from a category niche to a perspective niche. This is what we call the niche of one. This strategy focuses on building a brand around a specific intersection of skills, personality, and philosophy that is mathematically impossible to replicate. You aren't just a tech YouTuber. You are the person who explains how decentralized technology affects rural farming communities through the lens of a former historian. The niche of one protects you from algorithmic replacement. When you are the only person providing a specific combination of value and personality, you are no longer a commodity. You are a destination. Your audience doesn't watch you because you have the newest gadget. They watch you because they want your specific take on that gadget. This builds a moat around your business that AI and copycats cannot cross. The formula for irreplaceability: passion plus specific skill times personal perspective minus saturated trends equals the niche of one. You must find blue oceans areas of the market where competition is irrelevant because your offering is unique. In a red ocean, creators are fighting over the same keywords and the same audience segments, leading to race to the bottom pricing and clickbait. A blue ocean creator creates new demand. The intersection method is the most effective way to engineer a blue ocean. You take two unrelated high traffic topics, for example, cybersecurity and stoicism, and find the overlap. This creates a brand new category, stoic cybersecurity, which appeals to a highly specific, high-value demographic that is currently underserved by broad tech channels. Furthermore, you can utilize the sentiment mining technique. This involves going to the 10 biggest channels in a broad niche and filtering their comments by newest. Look for recurring complaints starting with "I wish someone would explain" or "Why is nobody talking about?" These are not just comments, they are documented market gaps. These gaps represent the unsolved problems of your niche where your brand can step in as the definitive solution.